Welcome back to Why We Buy It. I'm Kobe.
I'm Amy.
And you probably tuned in this video because you want to know what this miracle material is all about and why is it so good for travel.
Well, let me tell you one thing. It's cooling, it's breathable, it's moisture and odor resistant.
That's actually 4 things, and
Yes.
we've tested it out. We've tested it out, and it actually is those things.
Yeah.
Now, we kind of happened upon this material by watching YouTube videos of other travel bloggers and travel YouTubers and the like, because eventually them or somebody else will mention this material. And usually it's from like hikers and backpackers, mountain bikers and the like, are the ones that will talk about it, and for good reason.
Oh, 100%.
Okay, it benefits them, but it can benefit you as well, whether or not you are a backpacker or just a traveler like us. But the material itself seemed rather simple.
Yes.
So we thought, you know what, if it's that good, let's look into getting some. But we found out very quickly that a t-shirt like this one from the manufacturer's website is $100.
Which is like way over budget for us.
Yeah, I'm not spending $100 for a t-shirt. I happen to have one, but we'll get into how we did that later.
Yeah.
But basically, we came across a sale. We're not going to mention who it is yet, but it is someone that we reviewed in the past.
Yeah.
And thought we'd give these shirts a try.
Yeah.
What are we talking about?
We're talking about merino wool, so let's get into it.
Let's get into it. So before we get into the benefits specifically with travel, I want to talk a little bit about our experience with the shirts as far as a day-to-day situation goes.
Yeah.
So in my merino wool arsenal, I've got 3 t-shirts. I got this one from Decathlon, and I got these 2 from Orderbox, obviously. I also have a couple of sweaters that are merino wool as well, and I didn't pay full price for any of them. Okay, I got the Orderbox shirts I won on auction. The Decathlon t-shirt I got as an end of season clearance sale last September. And the couple of sweaters that I have, although they're not as important to this video, I found at a thrift store. So you can find merino wool for a deal. You just gotta look.
So of course they have merino wool for women as well. I took advantage of the Decathlon end of season sale. So I got this one and this one. Yeah, so I've been taking way more advantage of these shirts than Cope has, because I work in a very fast-paced environment. And
a butcher shop.
Yeah, and you know, it's different climates, you're in and out of coolers, you're, you know,
there's meat
sweating,
being cut all day.
Right, yeah, like you're doing like the whole shebang. I can wear this shirt like 3 to 4 days in a row and it doesn't absorb any smells. It blew my mind. I came home the first day after wearing this shirt and I was like, does this smell to you? And he goes, no, it smells like it just came out of the wash.
She thought maybe she was getting a cold or something and couldn't smell it.
And I couldn't smell it. And I was like, this shirt had, like, it didn't absorb any sweat, any moisture whatsoever. It didn't absorb any smells. I was like, this is crazy.
Yeah, to put that in perspective, sometimes when Amy comes home, the dogs in the neighborhood will follow her as she's coming home because she gives off the meat smell, right? Literally, if someone's walking their dog by, they're gonna right away they go to her because they can smell the meat. And honestly, any other t-shirt she's worn in the past, it's one shift only.
Basically, yeah.
And it's into the wash.
Yeah.
Like we do a lot of wash because of her job at the butcher shop.
Yeah.
But since she got the merino wool shirts, how many times can you wear a shirt that's like this shirt in a week?
Oh, like literally 3 or 4 times. I don't, but I can.
But she can. Like, like you could get away with 2 merino wool shirts in a work week.
So like,
and that's it.
That's also like another reason why I understand why these are so popular with hikers and backpackers, because when you're in climates that are super hot or humid, right? And it's like when it doesn't absorb any sweat, it's amazing. It's amazing. And it saves you from overpacking because you don't need that many. Right?
Yeah, so I mean that's taking us into the travel aspect of it. So let's just talk about that. One of the big advantages here is like, look, our next trip we're going away for 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks and a few extra days because we're staying at our arrival location for a few days.
Yeah.
But let's say 17 days. If it's 17 days, I used to pack pretty much like 20 shirts.
Yeah.
20.
Yeah.
Unless we know we're going to have an opportunity to do laundry while we're away, which we generally avoid doing, right? But I would pack like 20 shirts because I've got to pack a couple of like dressy shirts for special evenings. I need a basic shirt to wear every single day, right? If we're going to a hot climate, 100% I'm packing like 20 shirts because I figure it's one day out and it's sweaty and it's done.
Yeah.
Since getting merino wool shirts, it's like you can pack half as many shirts. And the reason for that is twofold. First of which, you can wear the same shirt numerous days.
Yeah.
But what if you're bringing along, say, a guy where I'm wearing collared shirts as well, dress shirts? I don't need to buy a merino wool dress shirt.
Nope.
I just use this as an undershirt.
Yeah, like the fabric on these are so thin. And I even said, I'm like, once it went into the wash the one time, I was like, oh no, it's gonna like fray and come apart. Like these things like can take a beating, and it's like it's been in the wash, you know. Like we wear it constantly, but yeah, if you wear it under a shirt, it's like it's the best undershirt, especially for anybody really.
Yeah, and it extends the life of your travel shirt.
Yeah.
Right. So instead of bringing, say, 4 collared shirts, I bring 2 or 1.
Yeah.
And I just wear a merino wool t-shirt underneath it so that it doesn't get sweat on it. This shirt basically absorbs it and cools my body so I don't sweat into the other shirt.
Yeah.
And that extends the life on the holiday of that shirt. So you're reducing everything you bring just by including a couple of merino wool t-shirts.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You can wear them under jackets and not sweat into your jacket. You can wear it under long sleeve shirts and not sweat into your long sleeve shirts. You can wear it under sweaters and not sweat into your sweaters. It makes everything multi-purpose, and you only need a few merino wool shirts to get away with it.
Yeah.
Right? So that's why when you look at the price, when I mentioned this being $100, in a way it's almost worth it to me. Almost. Of course, we always looked for bargains.
Yep.
And we found everything in it there is here on a bargain. You saw that in the little clips that we posted. But basically, if you're spending $50 on a merino wool shirt, you're better off than buying 3 $15 shirts.
Yeah.
Because they're gonna last one day each. This, you could maybe get 6 days out of it if you put it on a day in, day off, day in, day off kind of thing.
The thing is too is like you can just do a quick little like rinse off in in a washroom or something.
Because they dry so fast.
And then they dry. So and you're not putting these in the dryer at all.
Yeah, we don't put them in the dryer,
No.
and they dry like that. And something we didn't mention is, I don't know if we're just lucky, but they don't wrinkle either.
No.
I don't know if that's a material thing, but they don't wrinkle.
No.
Right?
Yeah, so like to say the least, we've become obsessed with merino wool to the point where it's like we'll go into like a Winners or something like that, and all we're doing is looking at the tags now to see if there's merino wool in the fabric itself, because you know what we look for outfits is changed completely.
Yeah, and I'm certain people see us and they're probably thinking, oh, they're looking for expensive labels. No, we're just looking for the material and hoping it says merino on it. Because I want to own everything that's merino because it makes travel so much easier, but it also makes summer so much easier.
Yeah.
Right? How many times have you gone out on a hot day and halfway through the day you're like, oh God. And you're thinking about going home and changing into a new shirt? Not with this.
No.
You go the whole day.
Totally comfortable.
And it doesn't absorb sweat.
Yeah.
And you still feel cool. Like, merino wool is a game changer. It is the miracle material for travel.
Yeah.
The title we chose is bang on. So if you haven't tried it yet,
try it.
Find a deal.
Yeah.
Check out Decathlon.
Yeah.
Like we had said, I got a couple of my shirts on auction, right? Like, you can find deals, and even the stock stores like Winners.
Yeah.
I found one of my sweaters there. So opportunities
They're
are
there.
available.
They're there. Yeah, you just got to be patient and look for it.
And if you can't find it, bite the bullet on your first one just to try it out.
Just try it.
And experience what we experienced because
you'll have an obsession.
Yeah. we've got a problem. Right?
Yeah.
If there's a Merino Anonymous, we got to join. That's the situation here. But if you haven't yet,
like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any upcoming videos, and try Merino Wool.
Yeah.
We are not sponsored by Merino Wool. I wish I was, because
not sponsored by Orthovox, not sponsored by Decathlon. We're not sponsored by anybody. All of our reviews are 100% honest.
Yeah.
Our opinion, and if we like it, we'll let you know, and if we don't,
we'll let you know.
We'll let you know that too. If you haven't yet, subscribe, but consider becoming a member.
Yes.
Give back to us. Like we said, we're not sponsored, so become our first sponsor.
Woo!
And join the membership side of the YouTube channel.
There you go.